Hi, my name's Joe. I go to St Mark's School in Haverfordwest. I've read this book called Diary of the Disciple. It's a really good book. That's why I wanted to give it out to my friend and the school. The book is about the Bible, just shortened up for younger people to read it.
We've been delighted to have the Scripture Union team in school. It all happened because one of our pupils, Joe, wanted to share the Diary of the Disciple with his friends.
I had an idea of raising enough money. I asked an adult and they helped me. They put the idea why I wanted to do it on Facebook, and I raised £300 in the first day to get all the 70 books.
Have more copies of the Bible been sold higher or less copies of the Bible been sold lower? 6 billion!
Because I didn't know there was that much Bibles what been sold.
We've done like crafting, we've done freeze acting.
I chose to volunteer here today because I just thought it sounded like a great thing, and I was really inspired, to be honest, by Joe and the fundraiser that he did to raise all the money for the Diary of the Disciples. I just thought that was amazing.
Yeah, I do really enjoy them. Just flicking through these pages is really exciting. It made me want to read more about them because I learnt that there are other fun things in it.
As a church school, we're always looking for opportunities to broaden our children's experiences, to give them opportunities to hear of other people's faith.
I raised enough money for another school, Diary of the Disciple, by a cake store and like craft and all. I feel really great about that.
Joe did a good decision to buy these books for us because now it makes the Bible seem more fun.
I feel quite happy because I don't have no book and it's my very first book that I've ever had. Always wanted a Bible. My brother's like, oh, Bibles are boring, and I just always wanted a Bible and now I get a Bible.
My dream is to get class 4 every time somebody moves up from class 3 to class 4. They get a copy of Diary of the Disciple, so I want to raise more money for that in the future.